Hey, what's up guys? Taylor here, and I'm doing the free video for Wednesday, April 3rd. So on the big three squeeze here, we got a daily squeeze setting up in the QQQ futures, and we got a big three score of 9 out of 12. So with that being said, things lean bullish. Let's talk a little bit about the structure and the momentum. And the analogy I'll use here, it's a little bit like a car. So that's my favorite car in the world, the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster. And the good news for me, it's only $900,000. The structure of the chart, when the structure looks good, it's a little bit like that Lamborghini. Right, it's beautiful. It is good to look at. The momentum, when we're lacking momentum, it's basically like a Lamborghini with no gas in the tank. It might be good to look at, but you're not going anywhere. So as far as the squeeze goes, the structure here has been pretty good. 21 EMA above the 50 SMA, the 50 above the 200. We don't have a structure problem, we have a momentum problem. You'll notice down here on the big three squeeze histogram, the momentum line has been below zero since mid-March, or mid-February. Meaning we have structure. It's a good-looking trend, it's a good-looking chart. It has the appearance of something that wants to go higher, but we've got no gas in the tank. And every time they try to cross it back above zero, they tried back here, they tried back here, and they tried again. Close but no cigar. From here, I think there's two likely outcomes. Option A, they can finally pump that momentum back above zero, at which point, if the structure is still bullish, I think they take that daily squeeze and they rip it higher. Option B, if we can't get that turn in momentum, as the days and the weeks go by, slowly but surely, the structure of the chart can continue to degrade, at which point I think there's a better chance that squeeze might break short. If anything, for a flush down towards that daily 50. The thing I think you want to watch from here, drop in a line at your 21 EMA, and then from there, guys, we're playing the over-under game. Above that 21 EMA, with lower time frame buy signals on the big three indicator, they can work on pushing it higher. If they can work on pushing it higher, they can work on getting momentum off the ground. Vice versa, with no gas in the tank, if we get one or two closes below that 21 EMA, we'll sell signals across our lower time frames. And right now we have a 5-minute and a 4-hour sell signal. Not a guarantee or a promise, but I think a growing probability. They at least want to take price down towards that daily 50. Structure is good. Momentum is a bit lacking. Then for a few of the tech stocks here, you got names out there like Meta. And keep in mind, earnings is right around the corner. It's a little bit the same here for Meta. Structure is bullish. We've got a 10 out of 12 on the big three score. Momentum below that zero line. You've got a name like Amazon. Now Amazon's a little closer to that positive cross. And we are getting the slingshot signal here, the blue arrow. The blue arrow is our first indication. Even though momentum is below zero, it might have bottomed and they're trying to turn it back up towards that zero line. So Amazon, I think, is pretty solid, all things being considered. And then you've got Netflix here. Netflix is up 2% on the day, but it's a bit more of the same. Structure is bullish. Momentum has been below the zero line since mid-March. We are getting the slingshot. If they can get that positive cross, then a pretty good chance that squeeze fires long. And then for another pick here, now this one's perfect. Google on the weekly chart is a thing of beauty. She's perfecto. There's that positive cross. Something like a Google, from a structure point of view, from a momentum point of view, you're pretty much firing on all cylinders. Structure is bullish. We've got the big three squeeze. We've got the big three buy signals. We trade above the trailing stop, above the 50, above that 21, and we got a big three score of 12 out of 12. The perfect report card. Now the problem is Google looks a lot better than the QQQ. If the QQQ can hold that 21 EMA, try to bring momentum back up towards that zero line. That should give a name like Google a little bit of tailwind. And I think from there they might want to take that squeeze higher. But the saying goes, as goes the market, goes the stocks. If they can't clean up momentum on the QQQ, and there is a path here for a bit more downside, doesn't mean Google can't break out, just means it's going to be a little bit more difficult. So my game plan here for the foreseeable future, I'm taking that daily squeeze in the NQ. I am playing the over-under game at my 21 EMA. I'm looking at my lower time frames on the big three signals and trying to get a better sense of which way do they want to take that daily squeeze. But alright y'all, as always, thank you for watching. If you found it helpful, hit the like and the subscribe button, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Adios.
What's up, traders? This is Taylor from Simpler Trading. I wanted to thank you for watching our video, and if you liked the video, go on ahead and comment down below, hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon to get a notification anytime we upload our next video. And of course, if you want to watch us trade live in real time with our own money, check us out at simplertrading.com. Until then, trade safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.